I felt like doing a little skin reset, a little pamper. I washed my hair yesterday, so I'm not going to wash it again, but I will get in the shower. But I am wearing fake tan. That means that I can't exfoliate my body. I do want to reapply it, but I also want to epilate, and you cannot epilate the same day that you put fake tan on. Does anyone else have this problem of like scheduling all their beauty routines? These things, they're painful. They are mean little buggers. I think I will fake tan tomorrow so that my skin has settled. My face needs like purifying. Let's go get in the bathroom.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away.
First step is removing my makeup. So I'm first just loosening the oils and dirt on my face with some warm water, and then I'm using the Earl Cleanse and Polish, which is one of my favorite things to remove my makeup because the linen cloth is really good at exfoliating the skin. So I am just rinsing and repeating until my skin feels clean. Then I'm going to use the Body Shop Vitamin C Liquid Peel, and I do this funny face to try and make sure I'm not pulling on my skin too much. People say that this isn't actually your skin coming off that you see here, it's just the product. I don't really care what it is. My skin always feels really good after I use it, so I still use it. And you can see it also took off more of my makeup that I had somehow missed. And I'm also using the linen cloth to help get off those last little bits. I am going to hop in the shower just to freshen up, so I am just going to actually shave, and I'm shaving my fingers and my toes here. I know it seems really weird, but I get really hairy fingers and toes. I'm just a natural human being, no shame whatsoever, but sometimes I like my fingers and toes to be hairless. And I'm also shaving my armpits as well. Just a reminder that women shouldn't have to do this. This is just a beauty standard, and if you ever see a woman with hairy armpits, please don't make her feel bad about it. We should be applauding her. Nice and fresh out of the shower. I'm letting my hair down. So my skin is all nice and clean and exfoliated, and next I'm actually going to do something a little bit fancy, and I'm going to use an at-home radio frequency device. I know, it scared me too, but I actually have faith in this thing. This is the Amiro R3 Turbo, and they have sent me their gift set to show you how it works. So what exactly does this thing do? This device helps tighten and firm your skin while also encouraging new skin cells and collagen to grow. This one has a 3-in-1. You get radio frequency, microcurrent, and phototherapy. I'll get into exactly how it works, but first let's take a look at what we got. This set is beautiful, perfect as a special gift. It comes with a pretty carry case, 4 eye masks, 4 freeze-dried collagen eye patches, 4 jawline masks, and 2 bottles of conductor gel to help the device glide over the skin. You do need this gel in order for the device to work, but you can buy conductor gel very easily from other places and it's not too expensive. The device has a gentle eye mode, a jawline mode, and a full face mode with 5 levels of intensity. So I'm using the lowest level because I'm still getting used to it. It's definitely a shock when you first use it. The sensation is so bizarre. Actually on my forehead it really tickles. It also has a patented flat head design in a triangle shape, which makes it much easier to use. And the device also helps with absorption. It's going to help get the most of any masks that you're using whilst you're using it. It's really cool to actually feel it working, and you can even see my muscles spasming. So what is radio frequency and what is it doing? Radio frequency is a thermal frequency that has the ability to reach the deeper layers of the skin dermis, which most skin products just cannot reach. It is not a laser. The radio frequency uses ion vibrations to heat the skin cells just enough so that new skin cells are encouraged to grow. This is a healing process that is commonly used in anti-aging methods because it encourages cell turnover, which helps regrow and plump the skin and improves elasticity. This type of procedure may sound scary at first, mist, but it has been used in facials and beauty clinics for many years, and these devices are made with a lower intensity so they can be used safely at home. The Amiro device also has the added benefit of red, yellow and infrared light therapy and uses microcurrent, which is a gentle electrical current that stimulates and contracts the facial muscles, basically giving them a little workout, which helps them become firmer and leaner, which gives your face a sculpted and lifted look. And according to other users, this device is particularly effective at depuffing eye bags. You can purchase this gift set via the link below and you can get $50 off. Forewarning, these devices are an investment into your face and long-term beauty goals. Because it's a lower intensity than a clinic, you can use it more often. They recommend 2 to 3 times a week. I'm probably going to try and add it into my routine once a week. Thank you so much, Amiro, for sponsoring this video and keeping this channel going. Okay, so I've just been to rinse off the gel from my face. I'm actually going to use the Essence serum from the masks and I'm going to rub it on my neck and décolletage. Got all this lovely product and we don't want to waste it. I always try and get the most out of my products. Also going to put it on my arms and my hands. There is actually still loads left in this one, so I think I'm just going to use it as a serum tomorrow. I do not want to waste this gorgeous stuff, so I am definitely going to save that for later. I'm now just going to put on my Earl skin tonic. I love this skin tonic, it's so good. I put it on after every time I wash my face in the evening. Oh, it's so good, so good, so good. I'm gonna link all of the products below if you're interested in any. Oh, look how good my skin looks right now. I don't know if it was the radio frequency device I just used or like the masks, but it looks really good. I needed this so bad. I'm gonna let that sink in. I am amping myself up because I'm about to be epilating my legs. If you know, you know, it is so painful. Just a word of warning, do not do it while you're having a heat wave or if it's like really hot, because it actually makes your whole body really hot just doing the epilating. I made that mistake a couple weeks ago. So I've got my trusty laptop. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and try to relax whilst I epilate my legs. I am wearing shorts, by the way, in case you're wondering. I do really need to do my thighs, but it's gonna take so long. I just never get round to it. I've kind of just been doing my lower legs lately. So I've put a towel down just to catch the hair. My pain tolerance changes like on a daily basis, I swear. Yeah, I feel like it's going to be fine today, so let's just do it. I actually bought this Epilator years ago. It's Brawn. It was around £100 at the time, but I think I got it on sale for 50. As you can see, I've actually taken the attachment on the top off because I felt like it was just kind of useless. It is pretty old. I've had this thing for a good maybe 8 years. I haven't used it a whole lot during those 8 years, but it doesn't seem to work as well as it used to. Maybe I just need to replace the head. I'm gonna set a timer and I'm gonna let you know how long it takes to do my lower legs. And I'm also gonna put on a YouTube video because there's no way I am raw dogging this. I'm gonna use my headphones because it can be quite loud. Let's go.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're
okay, it has been 28 minutes. I have only just finished my lower legs. The only thing about epilating is it's not perfect. Like, you don't get like perfectly hairless leg, but I don't mind having a little bit of hair there because I'm all for like natural girlies, growing hair wherever you want, like being on natural bodies. Like, yes, I've worn my leg hair just as it is like quite a lot this summer as well. I just don't have the energy or the pain tolerance to now do my upper legs, and because I haven't done them in ages, they're gonna hurt a lot more because there's more hairs. So I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. Maybe someday this week we will do my thighs. By the way, look at my skin. Girl, she is glossy today. After I epilate, I do get red dots all over my legs because it is ripping out your hairs. So it's a bit like when you get your legs waxed. It's getting later now and I think I'm going to actually moisturize my skin because I am so bad at doing this. So I'm going to use this Cerave one on my legs where I've just epilated because it's a lot more gentle. tomorrow I'm going to apply my fake tan. I do obviously still have fake tan, you can see, but I'm going to apply a bit more so that it lasts longer. I also have this Get Showy body cream by Mealy's. They actually sent it to me with a few of their products. I mean, look at the colour of that. It looks like a raspberry yogurt. I just want to eat it. Body Creme Fresh it's called. It's definitely more of a perfumey, fragrancy smell rather than sweet.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
It is now 9:30. I've had some dinner, I've had a little chill, I've watched some of the Olympics, watched the running. So I'm gonna do just a few more pamper things before I go to bed. First off, I'm actually gonna use this Rescue Heel Balm because I wanted to work on having like prettier feet. My feet are actually not that bad. They're not like dry or anything, but I do have like obviously harder skin on my feet because that's just what happens. In the summer, I'm usually always wearing flip-flops. I like to wear heels when I go out. So my feet are on show a lot more, and they also get more dry because they're out in sandals and stuff. So I'm trying to take more care of them. I'm putting some of this heel balm on my heels. I'm very much aware that people would pay for this kind of content. So I'm just putting that on my heels and on the balls of my feet. Then to lock in all that moisture, I'm going to put on my little socks. And I bought these in 2014 and I only opened them a couple weeks ago. I don't know if anyone remembers, they used to do these Barbie socks in Primark, and if you look really close, it's just loads of faces of Barbie. I was at college, I was probably like 17, 18. I remember seeing another girl at college wearing these, and this was back in 2014, guys. I had a pair originally, they just got like wrecked because they're not the best quality, they're only Primark, and they got like holes in them and stuff, but these, I might be one of the only people who still have a pair of these Barbie socks that are like still in good condition. Let me know if you knew anyone who had these or if you had them yourself. So my socks are now on. I'm now going to use another quite expensive device that was sent to me. Not every night, but I try to use it as much as I possibly can, and it's a red light helmet. This goes for 25 minutes. You can see it like lights up. I'll usually sit here in the evening and fill out my little habit trackers. These are my beauty habit trackers which I designed. You can find them below. They're $1.99. You buy the PDF and then you can print it as many times as you want, so you can literally have it for a lifetime. Space for little hole punches here so you can put them in a book. But yeah, so I have three. I have one for hair care, one for health and workflow, and one for beauty and skincare. I'm going to tick off all of the little things that I've done today so that I can keep track of what I'm doing and what I'm not doing and what I need to do more of. Then I'm going to sit back, relax, watch some YouTube, and then I'm going to read my book, and then I'm going to go to bed.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light.
Good morning. I have got up, I've had my cup of tea, I've spent some time outside, I've had a chat with my dad. It's been a very nice morning, but now I'm going to do my fake tan. This is actually the one I use, the Bondi Sands Liquid Gold. I prefer the ultra dark rather than this golden one. I don't know, this one's more light. I don't want to be sticky all day and I don't really want to wait till this evening, so I'm going to use this gradual tanning lotion. This is also by Bondi Sands. This is their pure range. I just thought I'd give it a go. I think it has slightly better ingredients in it or something. Anyway, there's a bit left in here, so I'm going to use what's left in here. I'm also going to take off my little socks. My feet feel really soft actually. I think I need to go over them with like a pumice stone, but they do feel better and they're like not as dry. So I'm just going to put on my bikini. I don't have a whole lot of this left, so I'm going to have to be strategic with it. Just to make sure that I don't get yellow hands where the lotion has been on my hands. This is a little trick that I do. I take a towel, the corner of a towel, water, and I spray it, and then I just rub like this. and that will stop my palms from going tanned as well. I actually have a hair appointment today for the first time in 2 years. I'm actually also going to film it and I'm going to somehow put it into a video. I did a little French manicure on my nails, did these myself. These are my real nails. If you want to see how I did them, I made a video and I'm going to put that right here. It's also like a little girly chat, like a get ready with me. If you want to see my beauty prep routine before going on holiday, before traveling, I'm going to leave that one right here. And don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. It really helps out my channel. All the links will be below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.